AI Canon. One of the best AI learning resources is the canon literature of the AI world. This comes from Andreessen Horowitz. So this page here, it's a couple of years old, but it has the foundational material. It walks you through gentle introduction, foundational learning, explainers, tech deep dives, etc., etc. It's a really useful resource. On this page, the AI Canon on A16Z or Z, it's a bit hard to work through. So what I've done is I've put together an easier way to do that. I've pulled it from Andreessen Horowitz. It's linked there, but it has all of the paper, all of the courses, all of the articles, the videos, etc. I've pulled them all into one place for you, and it's going to be a lot easier. So it starts up here with the gentle introduction. So this is mainly Andrej Karpathy's stuff. Stephen Wolfram's What is ChatGPT Doing and How's It Working? How do transformers work? That's Markowitz, I think. Stable diffusion, etc. Then foundational learning. This is more courses. So this one, for example, is, let's have a look, deep learning, practical deep learning for coders. This is a really good free course on deep learning by, blanking out, Jeremy Howard. And then from here it goes more and more complex into practical building, so how you actually build large language models from scratch. And then down at the bottom we have archive papers. So these are the foundational papers in the field of artificial intelligence, modern artificial intelligence. So starting with Attention is All You Need, that's 2014. That kind of kicked off the large language model revolution. Got one on BERT, etc., etc. I've put all of this together in one place. If you go to aiwithkyle.com, AI Canon, you'll find it in the top bar. That has all of the resources in there. That is obviously free. This is just linking you to those resources if you want to deepen your knowledge of artificial intelligence. If you're logged in, you can tick, I've completed this, and keep track of what you still need to read. One very cool thing, because just reading is old-fashioned, we have better tools. I've added some learn with AI elements. So I can click on, if I'm using ChatGPT, I can ask ChatGPT to explain this article simply. And all this does is preloads in a prompt, gives it the resource, asks it a few questions, and then it allows me to have a discussion with ChatGPT based on that article. So here, for example, I've pulled it in, Software 2.0 by Andrej Karpathy. I pulled in that article into ChatGPT and it will give me a summary. I can put it into tutor mode or test my understanding. If I click test, it's going to pre-fill that prompt for me and allow me to engage with the material at a deeper level. We can use AI to learn. And if you spend a bit of time each day talking with ChatGPT, talking with Claude about topics you want to learn more about, you can get quite deep very fast. How does Software 2.0 differ from traditional Software 1.0 programming in how software logic is created? Hint, think about human written rules versus learned patterns, etc., etc. So this allows you to get into the AI canon in some depth and to actually have an intuitive understanding of it, instead of just reading through a paper like Attention is All You Need and being like, don't really get it, but cool, I've read it. Instead, this forces you to actually engage with the material. Hopefully it's useful. Again, that's at AI with Kyle /AI Canon. That's just a fun little side project I built.